We are going to be making a very simple chickpea chaat, also known as Aloo Chana Chaat. And so this one calls for boiled potatoes, which we boiled and we're going to cut up, chickpeas, mint, lemon, ginger, salt, and some of this fantastic chaat masala. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. You can see we're starting to get a nice little color on those potatoes and chickpeas. Once these are to the color that I like, once I've gotten them to the golden color that I'm happy with, then we're going to transfer them off to the side and we're going to let them cool before we put the rest of the ingredients in. All right, I'm happy with the color now. I'm just going to set those aside. And now the next step in the process is to get our other ingredients mixed up into our food processor. So we have in here some chili pepper, green chili. I used about a quarter of a green chili to start. If we want it with more heat, we can add more. I have 2 tablespoons of ginger approximately in there and about a half of a white onion. We're going to mix this all together and then we're going to be adding in some of that wonderful chutney and the chickpea chaat spice. So it should be delicious. So here you have our vegan chickpea chaat, and here you have our vegetarian chickpea chaat.